Ubaro o wothe wigie ndwari ya COVID-19 Ministry ya Ugima wa Mwiri yugite ni ubaro wagiriirwo kuthurimo na kinyi mbere ya mundu awikirite ngoro, na o ni thutha wa mawatho ma rubonge rwa ugima wa mwiri ngwataniro-ini ya urumo wa kimabururi kuria mwingi wigwatire uboti wa kwamurania ngano na thawani undu-ini wigie ubaro uria aingi maramukira.
The Ministry of Health, together with other health sector stakeholders and in line with the IHR guiding framework for communication, has continued to disseminate health information through various media.
Ndumiriri ya gutia andu makiro mitukanio ya dawa kana mimera itiganite ya kimerera no ikorwo na uboti wa kubonia ndwari ya COVID-19 no undu utari mwikire mukonde. Ministry ya Ugima wa Mwiri kiuga no yeri no boro mukinyaniru na uria wagiriire ni gwitikio.
We would like to emphasize that it is important to ensure that we relay the right information, especially on transmission, as well as how to manage this condition.
Mathaa 24 mabituku bururi ni wandikithitie arwaru angieru 580 ma murimu wa COVID-19 thutha wa kuunganio kwa ithimi 5,458 aria othe marwarite gukinyira riu ni andu 29,338.
530 are Kenyans, whereas 50 are foreigners. 336 of them are male, while 244 of them are female. The youngest is a 1-year-old baby and the oldest is 92.
Ibida-ini riu andu angi 198 ni maborete. Namba ya andu aria othe maborete kirugamira andu 15,298. O riri andu angi 8 nao matoretio ni ndwari ya COVID-19 na gukua, na riu ikuo ciothe ni 465.
Ways of protecting yourself, and we continue to emphasize on the 3 key interventions: washing your hands with soap and water, masking, and adhering to physical distancing.
Atungata ma arwaru ari ibida-ini riri mari mubari-ini wa mbere ugutungatira arwaru ma murimu wa COVID-19. Thirikari ni iraneire kumaiga mubari-ini wa mbere ugutigirira ni mabeo indo iria marabatarania wira-ini undu umwe na kubeo utarani wa meciria thibitari-ini. Ngeribotera Inooro TV, Njetago Masi, Wadia wa Muriithi.